flat tires off the van. Alright y'all, so the yard is done. Move some cars around. Trying to get the brakes right on this one. Got the tires back on. Got some used joints for now. You know, we ain't driving it yet. So that's we working on trying to get these brake blade on the coupe. Get that back on the road. See, we on to the next thing after that. So got this box off. Do gotta change this mass effluent sensor. Took that off already. About to take this radiator out, get it swapped. Gotta change 2 other sensors in there somewhere. And I'll get back to y'all. Yo, so we got the radiator in. Oh, now with that fan shit, took that off. About to change out the tensioner pulley, but I ordered the wrong pulley. So I'm gonna have to take a picture, order a new one. Might check AutoZone, see what they got. But for now, I'm gonna have to stay on. I'm gonna put this mass airflow sensor on, put some coolant in it, and see if we can find that mother brake leak. Alright y'all, so we got the radiator in, got the mass airflow sensor in. About to start it up, see how it sounds. Oh yeah, I gotta put this brake fluid in so I can find this brake leak. I'm gonna put that fluid in, then we're gonna start it up, see how it sounds, and see if we can find this leak. Alright, let's get it. Got it. Now we about to start it up. Discovered a new problem. There's a leak in the master cylinder reservoir. It's all good, that's a minor problem. We get that fixed. Start this sucker up. Come straight on with the roll down joints. I ain't showed y'all much of it. Gotta get a windshield, back window. I'm gonna spray the inside black, put some LEDs in the roof. We'll get to that. We're gonna get it running, get some paint out at first, and do little things from there. Got it running. Gonna let it warm up, pull it out, and see if we can spot this leak. So y'all, got the stuff put on the van, radiator, mass effluent sensor. Filled up the brake reservoir, found out the brake reservoir needed to be replaced. I did find out the brake leak is inside the drum on the passenger rear. So I had to pull the drum off, see what's leaking, fix that so we can get this van rolling. Just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in this video or the next one, but if I drop it, you'll see it. What's up, y'all? Back again. Got the lawnmower done. Got the deck back on. I think I put the wrong belt on, so I'm gonna have to switch that. Y'all won't see me switch the belt. Guess what else is here? Got the 300 on the flat. Gotta do some work, get a key for it. It's pretty clean though. And I dealt with the thing on the damn van, did the brakes on there. I'm about to take it for a test drive. All right, just got back, me and Deuce in a white test drive in the van. Brakes good, no overheating. Got some new accessories in. Well, they new, but they're used. Got this little blue thing here that was missing. Got the door handle here that was missing. I got another grill for it because this one is all bent up. So I got another grill for it. I got that corner light as well. But it might be a little while before we get to that. You know, we trying to get on the road so we can hustle, get this paper. But for now, we're gonna probably rock out like this and do a little few things at a time. I will keep y'all updated along with what we're doing. Until then, we out. Peace.